Hey yo, so remember on Monday when I said I'd see you tomorrow? Sorry, I'm such a bad guy. Anyway, it's Wednesday, and you know what that means. I'm your host, Andrew, and welcome again to Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny shot of daily crypto news. Let's see what headlines we have today, huh? First up, within hours, the Federal Reserve is set to raise interest rates for the first time in 4 years. It's expected to be a modest bump of 0.25 percentage points, though such an event has been hotly anticipated and dreaded by the crypto markets for quite some time. It comes as the US grapples with red-hot inflation, the feverish issue of the coronavirus pandemic, and scorching geopolitical tensions in Ukraine. Analysts believe that today's hike has already been priced in, but given that laundry list of problems I've just mentioned, nothing seems certain these days. After a day of pretty flat trading, Bitcoin suddenly surged from 39,000 to 41,500 in the space of only 30 minutes. Those gains didn't last, and Bitcoin was back down to 39,000 just hours later. Although such a spike may seem insignificant, the sudden move has sparked $110 million in liquidations over the past 24 hours. Trading activity has reduced markedly in recent weeks, and the markets were pretty thin at the time of the surge. It created what's known as a Bart Simpson price pattern on the 4-hour chart. Someone tell Bitcoin to not have a cow. Does Bart still say that? No? I'm so old. Average everyday human Mark Zuckerberg has confirmed that NFTs are coming to Instagram soon. But speaking at the South by Southwest Festival in Texas, the Meta CEO didn't have anything to say beyond that. Zuckerberg confirmed that over the next several months, the social network's users will be able to mint non-fungible tokens within the photo-sharing app and potentially bring in collectibles from other sources. This seems in line with Meta's current strategy, diversifying company activities to look beyond the social networks that helped define the 2010s and doubling down on the metaverse. And finally, F1 Delta Time is abruptly shutting down, with Animoca Brands announcing that it was unable to renew its license with the sporting giant. The NFT company has vowed to reward current players for their loyalty and support, and those affected will receive replacement cars that can be used in other games. Even though the racing game was backed by one of the biggest brands in motorsports, data from OpenSea suggests that only 1,800 wallets actually owned F1 Delta Time NFTs. This was one of the first play-to-earn games to hit the market, and it was initially a big hit among NFT enthusiasts. A one-of-a-kind collectible car was purchased back in the quaint old times of 2019 for a whopping 416 wrapped ETH. And speaking of one of a kind, that's you, dear viewer. If you feel the same about us, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. Do you feel like the world of crypto is zooming by at an F1's pace around you? Take a pit stop by asking Alex in the description below if you have any questions about our headlines or about crypto in general. And again, I've been your host Andrew, this has been Crypto Espresso, and we'll see ya tomorrow.